Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to track cholesterol in MyFitnessPal. So that app actually is so useful for the ones that want to gain weight or lose some, and for the ones that want to follow a specific diet, etc. So you can get it from App Store and Play Store also, and even from the other stores like Xiaomi Store or Huawei Store, and that's all that depends on which phone you have and which store your phone or stores your phone supports. So to do that, actually guys, you just need to launch your app, and also you need to have an account. Even you need to set up a diet also to check the or to track the cholesterol. So what I want you to go through is diary from here. So just tap on diary, and after that you can set up the meals just from here. You can go into add food, and even you can choose food from the suggestion, or you can just go from these tools on your screen. Alright, so after you're finished, I just want to scroll all the way down into nutrition. So just tap on it, and right here on the nutrition, you need to scroll down so you can see cholesterol, and as you can see, you will be able to see all the stats right here. So this is how to do it. This is how to track cholesterol and MyFitnessPal. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and